Hey, it's me. Oh, my heater's on. Hold on. It's cool in here. Hey everyone. Thanks. Hey everyone, this is Stealth. Welcome back to Motor Gear Solid. Alright, so I still got the Rebel 500 in here in the shop. And today I'm going to be installing some forward controls. Because I hate the mid controls. Get a little cramp in my leg right here whenever I ride. And I don't like it. So yeah, these mid controls suck. So I'm changing them. So yeah, see? So they're basically right under you. So your leg is basically like a 90-degree bend, which isn't bad, but to be honest, I would prefer even my R3, you know, acute angle leg bend over this. I didn't like this at all. Yeah, I'm not a fan of mid controls. Yeah, so I'm gonna install some forward controls, and it should bring the both pegs out around 6 inches, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, it should be nice. Okay, so this is what I got now. You can see my leg is like a perfect 90-degree almost. So like if my foot peg was like around here, oh, it'd be so much better. I can already feel that. So much relief in my entire hip. Alright, so here's the forward control kit. I got this off eBay locally. So I saved a lot of money getting these because the guy got them and he didn't install them on his bike at all. So he sold them at a discount. Because I saw these on AliExpress and they're almost 300. They're over 300 bucks just to get them here. So I definitely didn't pay that. And I didn't get the other brands because those are way too expensive. So I tried to cheap out and get these. They are not any brand specifically, but they are good quality. And I did like that these kind of went out more, so they'll be forward and out. I've seen some kits that they don't even go out, they just kind of just go forward. So the problem with that is if you do get like a belly fairing or anything like that for your bike, it might make contact with the fairing itself. So these definitely have to go out. So yeah, I saw another kit on Amazon and they just went straight, and I'm like, this is not going to work. And they were really cheap, so you can imagine the quality. These are very good quality. The only problem is this kit didn't come with any instructions. I'm going to have to figure out how to do this because I don't know what these go on. But yeah, I'm a smart guy, I can figure it out. So we'll see, this should be fun. Remember, if I don't figure it out, you will never see this video anyways. So the brake side is done. This was probably the more complicated side, at least I think so. The clutch side looked easier, but now I'm starting to wonder if this was the easier side once I wrap my head around the concept. But it works out. The piston still compresses for the brakes. See, it's kind of stuck, see? Have to adjust that. It's easy to adjust, you just adjust it from here. Loosen it a bit. Much better. Okay, so the brake side for the forward controls is on. I love that it's like forward and out. You get that nice wide stance. Okay, now to do the clutch side. So the clutch side for the forward controls is on. I had to use some ingenuity with this bolt here. I had to just find a longer bolt. Otherwise this pivot point would be kind of compromised because it was too short, so the more you tighten it, it would make the clutch tight on downshift so it wouldn't bounce back. So I got a longer bolt and used some Loctite, so it still pivots but the bolt doesn't move. But I tightened the bolt enough to where, you know, this thing moving up and down will not loosen the bolt at all. I tried it a lot and it hasn't budged, not even a millimeter, so it should be safe. Wow, it's very smooth. Surprisingly very smooth. The forward controls have been installed. They look really good. I love how they're like forward and out a little bit. The only thing that I'm concerned about is the frame sliders look like they're right in line with the foot levers. So I'm assuming if the bike ever dropped, the pegs would fold a bit, and then the slider would probably take the impact as it leaned over more. But I'm going to do a test fall. I'm not going to drop the bike. I'm just going to lean the bike. Once I get the exhaust sliders, I'm going to put another one on the other side as well, right here, just so if it ever fell on this side, it protects the fender and everything else down there. But yeah, I'm going to do a test drop just to see what gets affected, because I want to know. Otherwise these forward controls don't benefit me. Okay, so let's do a before and after, and then we'll see how much more forward they are compared to the stock positions. You can see the difference now in the leg bend. The leg is past 90 degree. I can feel instant relief just from sitting like this. It feels actually similar to my Virago 250, and I love the position of those foot pegs. And someone recommended once you change the seat, it'll be even better. So I do have a seat that I'll be changing soon. It's a nice it's a little bit more thicker and a little bit more cushion to it, so it'll be even more comfortable on long rides. So I installed the forward controls. Everything seems fine. It should be safe. Luckily I keep a lot of hardware like nuts and bolts from other projects. So remember, always keep your extra stuff because it'll always come in handy for something else. I don't recommend these just because you have to use a lot of ingenuity. I do recommend Red Dragon forward controls. I'm not even being sponsored by them, but everyone loves them and they seem like they're really heavy duty. And they come with all the hardware and instructions, even video tutorial. So if these ever fail, I'm definitely going to get some Red Dragon forward controls. So with the forward controls installed, I would like to finish the change in the riding position. So I'll be changing the handlebars as well to Kojima bars. The Kojima bars raise it up a bit and then pull it back even more. So kind of like risers, but I got the actual bars to do that. So I'm just going to get the bars and replace all those in the next video. So it should allow me to sit more upright and back and have my feet out like more of like a traditional cruiser. So I'm excited to see how that feels. Remember to subscribe to Motor Gear Solid. This is Stealth. I'll see you guys soon with the next video. This part here, handlebars. Coming soon, you'll see. Bye.